This is my fifth steampunk gun. I call it the Tesla rifle, and it is composed of several salvage components, all metals mainly, with the exception of the wood stock. This is the main stock is here, of course, and is the remains of a decommissioned over-under shotgun, and not a very collectible one. It was in very rough condition and wasn't that valuable to begin with. So those of you that are into rifles and such, don't worry, it wasn't that great of a gun to begin with. So I made it into this steampunk rifle. So that's the main stock, gives it the right look, and the rest of the components are as follows. I'll bring you up a little closer, just a moment. So what we have right here are there's pieces from a clock, a anniversary clock they're called. The main body with all these fins on it is actually from an air compressor, a small air compressor. Then we have, I think that's a component from a valve, a gas valve for a barbecue, I believe. I'm not positive there. These rods come from a craft kit for making wind chimes. These are these red brass pieces are bushings from motors. Got two of them, so I've had to take apart two identical motors to get two of those. These components here, these aluminum silver components, are feet from a video disc player. Some more salvaged brass tubing. There's some paper fasteners here, and the balls are from an anniversary clock, and then some fasteners again from another clock. At the top you'll see a component from a sprinkler, that oval component there, and there's another brass component that I salvaged from something, I'm not sure what. There's a little piece from a Model T starter or regulator, something like that. Some other salvage pieces, not sure what they're from. I knew at one time, but some brass bolts and washers. Some more rods from that kit, and the copper piece there is a copper staple. We have on the bottom there's two pieces out of a motor. Those are theoretically you hold those and that makes a connection and activates the entire rifle. These are knobs from sewing machines. I've got a brass nut there and brass bolt. And the main barrel is actually from a lamp, and I've aged it with flat black paint just to give it a field used look, and rather than that crisp look that a lot of guns have. It's just shiny brass and stuff doesn't do it for me. I like to have it look like it's been used. And this component here is also from a lamp. The barrel, as I mentioned, is also a lamp part. This brass portion here, I believe, comes from a pump. There's a couple lamp parts here, here, and here. There's some copper mesh, and inside to give some contrast on the inside is copper from a scrub pad. So, yeah, that gives the entire rifle the look. It's got some copper sheeting on the end of the stock. But yeah, that's the Tesla rifle. So, hopefully you enjoyed this one. And leave a comment, a like, and subscribe to the videos, and you'll see more of this sort of work as I finish them up. Hope you enjoyed it, and let me know. Thanks for watching.